5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Today I don't feel like doing anything. I just wanna lay in my bed. Don't feel like picking up my phone, so leave a message at the tone. 'Cause today I swear I'm not doing anything. I'm gonna kick my feet up, then stare at the fan. Turn the TV on, throw my hand in my pants. Nobody's gonna tell me I can't. Nah, I'll be lounging on the couch, just chilling in my Snuggie. Click to MTV so they can teach me how to Dougie. 'Cause in my castle, I'm the freaking man. Oh yes, I said it, I said it, I said it 'cause I can. Today I don't feel like doing anything. I just wanna lay in my bed.
Oh, ikaw pala yan. Happy birthday mo, Tol. Sana marami kang birthdays na namatay para sa'yo. Naligaw ako dito sa school eh. Swerte mo. Bati ako. Pero malas ko. Walang inuman. Kaya hindi ka kasama. Alright, just take care always, Tol.
Sometimes it's not me in control. Sometimes I gotta jump before I know what's below. Sometimes I gotta drop everything and go.
Hi po! Kamusta? Happy birthday! Na-miss ka na namin. Kaya ayun. Sana masaya ako sa birthday mo. Ingat ka lagi dyan sa Italy. Bye! Happy birthday!
Some days we're carrying a heavy load. Some days we're digging in, and the love may not show.
Happy birthday! Kaya natatawa lang ako. Ano ba, magka-birthday tayo kaya batiin mo din ako. Gusto ko may video din ako kasi nag-effort dito si Muna ng pag-video. So, ayun, happy birthday. Umuwi ka na dito at magdala ka ng madaming pasalubong. Miss na miss ko rin ng ni Carl at mag-ingat ka dyan palagi. Wish you all the best. Bye-bye!
This is how you feel. So this is how you see. And this is how you breathe.
Happy birthday! God bless!
Sometimes I go down deep.
Happy birthday, Kuya JR. I miss you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday!
So this is what you mean. This is how you feel. So this is how you see. And this is how you breathe. Sometimes
Brad! Uy, dilas dito! Brad, happy birthday. Sana umuwi ka na, Brad. Kasi miss na ni Melissa yung kalingap. Tawa-tawa, nagbibideo. Brad, happy birthday. Ingat ka dyan. Pasalubong ka. Kaya umuwi ka na. Dahil miss na ka na namin. Ano mo, yung comment mo sa Facebook. Naiingit ka. Umuwi ka na, Brad. Kasi trawa-trawa tayo dito. And happy birthday. God bless.
I spent nights in California, watching the stars on the big screen. And then he lies awake and he wonders, why can't that be me? 'Cause in his life he's filled.
Parang ako Grabe, napaka-formal mo. Birthday kayo na natin mo, ba't tayong batiin?
Happy birthday, Daddy! I miss you and I love you, Mama.
Ilan ka na magkataon? Mes na kita. Tagal na kita hindi nagkakausap ay. Hindi ba lang tayo nagkaka-text? Happy birthday. Ingat ka, Dia, palagi. Love you.
He's left a lot of things he'd rather not mention right now, just before he says goodnight. He looks up with a little smile at me. He says, if I could be like
Ninong,
Anong?
happy birthday!
Day.
Love you! Ikaw nga. Happy birthday, Ninong!
Anong?
Happy birthday!
Kill.
Ninong JR.
R.
Happy birthday!
R.
Happy birthday!
Day.
I love you!
R.
I love you!
You.
I miss you!
You.
Oh, kiss mo.
Amoy.
Opo. Happy birthday, Ninong! Love you!
You.
Pakabait ka! Gusto mo, pakabait ka.
Car.
Ah, si Carl?
Opo.
Si Ninong. Tito Ninong.
Car.
Si Carl?
Opo.
Punta tayo mamaya. Oh, bye-bye!
anything just to live one day here in those shoes? If I can be like that, what would I do?
Happy birthday, happy 27th birthday. Sana ay happy kayo dyan. At sana...
Sinabi nga yun.
at sana...
Wish.
makuha mo na yung mag-ina mo kasi yun yung gustong-gusto mo. 'Di ba? Hi!
Happy birthday! More birthdays to come as as favorite line sa may mga birthday. Ang gulo mo. Yun lang. Sana makuha mo na nga si Millet at saka si Carl. Super cutie ng baby mo. Ayun. Kamusta na lang kay Tita at saka kay Hey. Happy birthday ulit!
Bye-bye!
Ma, pa-Facebook.
Ayoko.
Birthday ngayon ni Daddy, batiin mo naman.
Talaga? Bok, happy birthday.
Papa! Papa!
Oo, birthday pala ni Bok. Mama. Wala kasing pa-birthday. Si Mama, maghahanda naman ng kaunti. Kahit malayo si Bok. Sige na nga, wala na akong masabi. Happy birthday na naman.
Ma.
Love you! Miss you! Mama! Oh!
Miss you when I close my eyes. That's when you're near. I kiss you, but I know that I'm dreaming. Girl, it's not fair. And And I can't help but cry every night when I wake and you're not by my side. Girl, I just wanna hold you in my arms. I think of you each day, now we're apart, and I just want things back.
Happy birthday! I love you! I miss you! I miss you! Say I miss you, dali! Hey, Dada! Happy birthday! Kung miss ka na nila, alam mo naman na doble yung miss ko sa'yo, diba? Ayun, tapos yung wish ko para sa atin, syempre, makasama ka na namin ni Carl. So we can held each other's arms. Magkalayo man tayo ngayon, alam mo naman na mahal kita. Alam mo naman na I love you more than the distance that separates us. I love you more than my heartbeat. Yee! Ayun, alagaan mo na lang yung sarili mo kasi wala ako dyan para alagaan ka. More blessings. Happy birthday. I love you. Say happy birthday, Dada. Dada, happy birthday. Sing a song na lang. Sing kay Dada, sing. Sing na lang, happy birthday. Opo. O, sing, sing. Sing. Sapa, sapa. Oh, I love you, Dada. Love you. I miss you. Say I miss you. Oh, flying kiss na. Love you.
The way they were, find the way back to your heart. Without you, I don't feel the same since you went away. I need you, and I just want you back here with